Hey there, I'm doing a video on Lineart because I used to have so much trouble with it and now it's so much easier to do it. And actually, I'm okay with doing it. I used to not. I used to avoid Lineart because it just looked so horrible. And now my Lineart is beautiful. So I know a lot of other people have trouble with Lineart, but you could do it in traditional. You could ink your drawings on paper, but you come over to your a digital drawing program and you pick a brush, say okay, oh, ink brush 25, yeah, that'll be good. And then you start inking your drawing, your sketch, and then it's super squiggly. What the heck? what in what is that? What is that? That's not a line. That's a shriveled up spaghetti noodle. That's what that is. That's not a line. It's not the line everybody wants to see. And then you try and you try again, but you just can't get it, and it starts to haunt you. You can't eat, you can't sleep, you give up on your art career, and you become a receptionist or something. Don't become a receptionist. Instead, use a stabilizer. So a stabilizer is going to smooth out those lines. It's going to smooth out the lines, and it's going to smooth out the edges of your lines. So here you'll see how it's very thick, and then it quickly drops off into a super thin line. It's gonna smooth those out so you get a nice taper. So in Krita, where do you find that? That would be in the freehand brush tool. And down in the tool options, you're gonna switch this drop down to the stabilizer. So it's right there in plain sight. It says stabilizer. That's what we're gonna be using. So the settings here, I don't remember the default settings, but I was playing with it and these are the settings that I found work for me. Um, the delay right here, what it's gonna do is that's how many pixels. Oh, there's a nice description. Delay the brushstroke to make the line smoother. And then this checkbox here, stabilize sensors. This is the setting that's going to taper out the edges of the lines, so you get nice tapered lines. So let's try that again with the stabilizer this time. All right. Look at that. Look how smooth that is, and look at that taper too. Have you ever seen such beauty? Let's keep going. This is addicting. This is addicting. Oh, let's try that again. Let's try that again. Okay, I'm embarrassing myself. There we go. I have redeemed myself. Anyways. Yeah, using the stabilizer is going to smooth out your lines. It's going to save you a lot of time too. So you're not having to redraw every single line over and over again just to get that one perfect line. It's going to save your hand. It's going to save your, what is it? Your sanity, your emotional health. Your emotional health is going to, well, your emotional health is probably all screwed up because of art anyways. But this is Krita. So Krita has it. I know most other software applications have it. OpenCanvas has it. FireAlpaca has it. GIMP has it. Clip Studio Paint has it. PaintTool Sai has it. I think that's it. Photoshop does not have it. So if you want to get it in Photoshop, you have to download a third-party software, and there's two of them. So there's one for Windows and there's one for Mac users, and they both have a free trial, but you do have to purchase a license. So the one on Windows is called Lazy Nezumi Pro, and the license for that one is $35. If you're on a Mac, then that one is called Hej Stylus, Hej Stylus, and the license for that one is $15. So so there's an option to have a stabilizer in pretty much every software program that you may use. Don't do it freehand. You're gonna lose your sanity. So if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next video.